Hi, today we're talking about how to set up and position a hedgehog house. Now, a hedgehog house is a brilliant place for hedgehogs to nest in spring and to hibernate in autumn winter. You can buy ones ready-made, which I've done here, or you can make one yourself. So let's take a look at this hedgehog house. It's made of natural materials, wood. And if you open it up inside, you can see that we've got a 13 centimetre by 13 centimetre entrance hole, which leads onto an entrance tunnel and then into the main sleeping area. And the reason that it's designed in this way is so that larger animals, predators, can't access the box. What you can do to help the hedgehogs feel a little bit more at home is add some bedding material. Now, hedgehogs in the wild prefer leaves, small leaves for preference, but if you don't have a lot of those in your garden, you can use some hay or straw. Now, we have some hay here, which is a bit better than straw because it tends to be in sort of smaller pieces and it's easier for them to make a nest. And we're just going to add a small layer, sort of 5 to 10 centimetres, not too much in the bottom, just to get them started. And then they can add more as they like. Now, if your garden is more of a formal garden, you don't have much in the way of spare leaves, stuff like that they could use for bedding, you can add a little bit more of the hay on the outside of the box for the hedgehog to add themselves. When it comes to positioning your hedgehog house, it's best to find a quiet, shady, sheltered spot somewhere in your garden. Next to fences and underneath shrubbery is ideal, and it's best not to have the entrance hole facing the prevailing winds, so not north or northeast. Hedgehogs don't tend to like sleeping and eating in the same place. So in one of our next videos, we're going to be making a hedgehog feeding station to place nearby. Let me know in the comments if you've set up a hedgehog house in your garden. I'd love to know how you're getting on. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. And if you're passionate about wildlife gardening, please subscribe. See you next time.